So we know that in Greater Western Sydney, there's a vibrant, exciting community of sexuality and gender diverse people in the Greater Western Sydney region. We want to see those communities and those people celebrated, and that diversity celebrated. Along with visibility and that celebration and that pride, we want to make sure that they're able to access services locally, that they're able to reach out for support and find that support locally when they're in need. So what we have on the one hand is a whole set of people who are experiencing higher levels of emotional distress, mental health issues. Often they may be socially isolated or not able to connect to their cultural or family context and units. And then on the other hand, they're not able to access services locally.
Well, Canterbury Bankstown is a very multicultural community. So one of the key findings for me from the scoping study was highlighting how culturally and linguistically diverse people experience moderate to high levels of distress, psychological distress.
The LGBTIQ community have stated uncategorically that they feel less safe in Western Sydney than other areas of Sydney. So we've got to help make those people feel safe, make our community feel safe.
A key finding from the report would be advancing safety and inclusion. It's one that really resonated with us at the PQF because we put on events and we want to create spaces within the environment that are safe for all of our community.
Another important area that the report speaks to, where action is required, is about the need for really culturally appropriate services. We're already working with and just helping to establish a whole set of inclusion networks, if you like, that will exist throughout the region.
Local services and community members come together. We discuss issues that affect the LGBTIQ community in our local area. We identify what some of the solutions may be to address those issues. We plan programs and events. We also provide learning opportunities around the LGBTI community.
We put on things like the Parramatta Pride Picnic. We create safe spaces at things like variety nights and movie nights, art exhibitions. So there's a whole range of different things that we do.
A vision for a safe community is one where differences are not just tolerated but accepted and celebrated, and what we have in common is also celebrated.
Our vision for a Greater Western Sydney that is safe and inclusive is one where people can be their authentic selves.
This is a call out for people living in Greater Western Sydney, particularly people from our communities or indeed allies. We're really, really keen to work with you on this piece of work.
Local services and community members can get involved by going to the website inclusivecommunities.com.au and by joining your local network.